Hello friends, myself is Arun Kumar Singh. Today I want to discuss over the real use of power and authority. We know it very well. We all are having some power, and some among us also having the authority. So what I think about it, the real means of power and authority is not power and authority over the others, but over the self. If you are having power and authority, and if you are using over ourself, so definitely we can get the good effect, we can get the good result. But if we use our power and authority on others, definitely it is not the real means of power and authority. Nowadays, we all are suffering from loads of the problems, loads of the things which are not having the real means in our life. Like these types of the things are, we are not in a state to control our greed. We are also not in a state to control our dishonesty. Most among us are not punctual, not loyal to our duty and responsibilities to nation, to society, even to ourselves also. So the real means of power and authority is to control our greed, our dishonesty, our unpunctuality, unsincerity. If we able to control these things which we use from morning to evening, definitely we can grow our self-confidence, we can also grow our personality. Nowadays, everywhere what we see and what the people say about the employees, government employees, either state government or central government, it is the general principle, it is the general thinking about the officers that they are not punctual. Most among them are not punctual, not honest. They don't want to perform their duty punctually, honestly and sincerely. That is why for a simple things, for a simple work, we have to visit at the office several times, and the public also say that we are not being treated properly by them. The officers are not in a state to hear anything. Its simple meaning is that they are not using their power and authority to control over themselves. They are misusing it due to their lust, greed, dishonesty, unpunctuality, unsincerity, not having the humanity, features of humanity. That is why humanity are not found, the features of humanity are not found in most among us. Either we are employee, or we are the head of our family, or we are a simple member of our family and society. So nowadays, it is the most required things. If you are having the power, if you are having the authority, then we should use to control ourselves. To control ourselves means to control the bad habits, bad things, bad principle, what we are having and what we are using from morning to evening. The result, if we able to do so, can be seen within a month. And we feel ourselves, we are being strong mentally, physically, externally and internally. And the initiation, the step should be taken from ourselves first. We become anger due to the simple things, because of our lust, because of our greed, because of we want to fulfill our purpose by anyhow. We don't want to care the benefit the problems of others, and anyhow we want to supply our purpose, what will affect on other? We do not think about it. It is our greed, it is our dishonesty, it is our lusting, due to which we are do these things from morning to evening. That is why the corruptions like bribery, kidnapping, killing, smuggling, and many more things are growing day by day. Not only these, but most among us, as per the percentage of using these things in our life, suffering from loads of the common diseases like stress, tension, high blood pressure, diabetes, arthritis problems related to lungs, problem related to kidney, eyesight problem. These types of the things are generally formed when we do not control our greeds, or we can, in other words, we can say we are not in a state to use our real power and authority to control ourselves. A few person in our society, definitely they are using their power and authority to control over themselves. That is why they are making records after records. Success of any kinds in any walk of life running behind these types of the people, and they are satisfied with what he had. If they are employed, they are satisfied with the salary what they are getting from the government, and they are not having lust. They do their duty and responsibility perfectly, punctually, and honestly. That is why they are not suffering from the common diseases like blood pressure, tension, stress. They are also growing their social relation. They are also having time to perform all the social and religious activity. They are also having time to meet their friends, to spend some time with their family. They are also having time to do the social work. And this is the most needful things nowadays. If you are human and if you are in power, definitely we should use our power and authority to develop all the required features of humanity. And these features definitely save us from loads of the wasting of time, money, and skill. We come to know the real meaning of taking life on this earth. In other words, we can say God has also having the same expectation on us, because God has made the different kinds of the people, having the different right and authorities, and these authority and rights are given to them to help the helpless people, and that kinds of the habits can be formed if they control their anger, their lust, their greed, their dishonesty, unpunctuality, insincerity. Then it can be possible, which is real required nowadays. Our society is really getting polluted very rapidly, and the main cause of these things are we are not using our power and authority in a proper way. In other words, we can also say that we are not in a state to control ourselves. So, through the video, I want to give the message: if you are in power and if you are having the authority, either we are employed in government sector or private sector, or not any sectors, we are simple member of our society, then we are having any kinds of the power or any amount of power and authority, we must use first it to control ourselves. Then we can feel the effect of, we can feel the result of our habit if we begin to do these things. The result can be seen very clearly. Other people can also see some changes in us, and human nature is to imitate the others. Definitely the other people can also imitate our nature, because good things can be imitated not quickly, but after getting the good result, other people can also follow it. So first we should initiate. If you are watching the video, first you should try yourself to control yourself in regards of the anger, unpunctuality, insincerity, dishonesty, lusting, greed, and many more things, bad things like this, which we do willingly or unwillingly. Our needs should be limited. We should satisfy with what we have. If you are employee, we should satisfy with the salary what we are getting at the end of the month. And these things really produce the good result. So at last, I want to advise, I want to request to all the people who are watching this video to leave all the bad things, to use their power and authority to control yourself, and be and come in a state to form the helping nature, come in a state to grow the real value of humanity, real features of humanity. One more message I want to give you very shortly. Within 2 or 3 days, I want to start the online classes, especially for 11-12th, and subject will be chemistry. And the students who are at the standard 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, I am also starting the classes for them, and that classes will be free of cost. No any cost will have the student to pay. That will be free of cost. I want to promote the students. We are not in a state to attend the regular classes, and they are not in a state to pay the fee of tuitions, coaching, and some other institutions where they have to pay. I want to accelerate them. So send me the comment. If you like, subscribe it by pressing the bell button, and also send me your number so that it will be easy for me to send the link. Thank you.